Hi, welcome back to the Gnar Garden. My name is Taryn. I just stopped recording. Today we are headed to Wilkes-Barre to pick up the How Does Your Garden Grow tote bags from Axlerad Screen Printing. First we're getting gas. Brian's out there doing that. I know you can't see him because he's got camouflage on. This is so dumb. Hi everybody, welcome back to the Gnar Garden. My name is Taryn and that's Brian. We're getting gas and air and then we will be on our way. I thought it might be cool to bring you along.
I see it.